Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the door from its track or hinges so you can work flat and controlled. Once removed, make sure fasteners are stored in a labeled container and the frame sits on a soft surface to prevent dents. Use a screwdriver to extract visible screws and needle nose pliers for stubborn clips. Take care not to tear the mesh. This first step exposes the spline and screen edges, which you'll repair next. Doing it now saves time and prevents damage during later reassembly. Once the frame is accessible, cut away the damaged mesh and fit the new piece with roughly a 1/2 inch overlap to the frame edge. This margin helps you seat the spline. Start at a corner and press the spline into the channel with a roller while pulling the mesh taut. Keep tension even so the screen is flat but not warped. After tooling the spline around, trim excess mesh flush with a utility knife. Make sure corners are tight and there are no gaps, because leaks invite insects and wear. You're ready to reinstall the door. Put it back on its track or hinge and replace fasteners, then operate it slowly to confirm alignment and smooth motion. If it binds or rubs, stop and inspect. Loosen hinge screws slightly, adjust roller height, or sand any high spots on the frame. Small shims can correct persistent misalignment. Once movement is smooth and the screen remains taut, do a final visual check for gaps. If problems persist, test with one targeted adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.